I've picked up these garden sacks from the shop team because I'm just trying to clear my garden up. Got a pack of 25. These are got all the credentials on here about recycling and things like that. This is going to be perfect for your garden waste. Let's open them up and see what the quality feels like. Well, they feel pretty thick. Let's have a look at the perforations. It does say that they're leak proof, which is good because no one wants garden juice all over their shoes when they're moving stuff around. There we go. Feels nice and tough. These are different from like rubble sacks. So if you've got like bricks and stones, this is not going to be your bag. You'll need to pick up a rubble sack instead. This is going to be just great for garden waste, like leaves, things like that, debris. If you're doing a big litter pick, it's going to be absolutely perfect. Do make sure that the baggage size as well is enough for you. This is an 80 litre, and I think they did 100 litre as well, but this is perfectly enough for me, for my purposes. But yeah, overall, feels nice and tough. It's going to hold loads of stuff. What more do you need?